We're in New Mexico currently, and we stayed our first night on BLM land, that is Bureau of Land Management, where you can stay for free up to 14 consecutive days. And it was pretty cool out in the desert. And we are headed to Carlsbad Caverns today to check out some amazing caves, and I want to take you along for the ride. So come check it out. About to enter the black hole. This is it. The natural entrance. Let's go. Smell that bat guano! Do whatever we can to get a white sheet series shot. So hopefully this will be pretty epic. Just gotta wait for these people to move, get Abby naked-ish, and I will take the shot. See what happens. It's gonna look awesome. Place is amazing. It's just wow. So we missed walking back up by 20 minutes, so we had to take the elevator up. And there's just a few flights. Ooh, my ears are popping.
Mine are too, oh my gosh. We wanted to walk.
We were about to get a good hike in. Woo! This thing's going fast. 700.
I don't like it.
750 floors.
50 floors? This thing was
An
fast.
elevator in a cave. I mean, come on. I don't know. Woo! Yikes, that was an experience.
Well, we're back home after exploring the caverns.
They were otherworldly.
Yes.
I've never experienced anything like that in my life, for sure.
No.
They just go on and on and on. How long did it take us to get down?
It took us about 30 minutes, but they say it takes the average person 45 minutes to an hour to make the walk. It's pretty steep. And it kind of does switchbacks down, and then there's a great room which has just
600,000 square feet of just stalagmites, stalactites, and
stellamims and
straws,
popcorn, soda straws. They have all the names for these different
Squidward.
formations. Yeah, basically.
Yeah, it was amazing.
We probably spent about, 3 hours?
3 hours.
One on each day.
Yeah, we went there twice. Yeah, it's crazy. It's literally, you go from like 85 and 90 degrees, and in 30 seconds you're in 50 degrees.
56 degrees.
With a lot of humidity. So we went twice just so I could like work on the skin and hair, because we're in really dry country right now. So it's weird. It's weird climate change, but it was amazing. We got some really cool pics for Abby's White Sheet series, which you should check out. We'll have the link for you to see what's going on with that. But it's amazing. I felt like I was in Batman, for sure.
Well, we hope you enjoyed the caverns, or our caverns through our eyes, really, as much as we enjoyed them firsthand. If you ever get a chance, please go see them.
Yeah, we're going to try and film more of our adventures so you guys can see firsthand what we do and a day in the life of Abby and Natalie. Take care.